Right, welcome back. As I'm still waiting basically for paint to arrive and paint to dry, because obviously you saw what happened in the last episode where I basically had a reaction in the paint which totally ruined the top coat, so I had to strip back and start again. This week just a quick one really. Obviously when I did the, I'll show you what I mean, when I did the handlebar conversion, they actually supplied you with a hose, which is sort of like a carbon finish, but they don't actually supply you with the over the mudguard hose, and they also supplied you with the clutch hose, which was actually too short, so I actually got another one made up and fitted. But obviously since seeing the paint and seeing how it's gone, I've decided to actually change the hoses. I am going to loose fit the hoses today, just the front ones. The rear one I'm not going to do, because obviously the rear one's got to come out completely and be stripped. So I've actually ordered a complete kit, but I've managed to get it in gold and gone for black banjos, and luckily it's come through and it's actually marked. They've actually marked for me. These were Wimoto, I'll leave a link in the description below. They've actually nicely marked for me which is the rear, which is the clutch, and which is the front, which makes it a lot easier. Now if you remember on the mudguard, I wasn't too worried about the marks near the holes at the back of the mudguard, because basically these clips are going to go in, which will connect round these two grommets. So as I say, quick one today. I'm just going to get these fitted. Not going to bleed yet, I will be bleeding soon. So let's get these on, see what they look like. Right, so this bottom line, I'll just feed that up, loop that through out of the way. I actually need a double on this side. Let's clip that in. And it's exactly the same on the other side. And then over to this side. Just fits in nicely, and that will fit in there. Obviously we've got the double, so basically with the double, banjo bolt, copper washer, hose, copper washer, and another copper washer. Screw that in loosely. First one will go in there. Now we're looping up. A second grommet. feed that one through. And then basically from there up to the master cylinder. That's held on 14mm spanner. Right, so that's the top one. Right, now they're in place, I can just pinch these tight. Right, and the same with the other side. Here we go, fits over there nicely. May even bring that up this side, but see how it goes for now. It's okay there at the moment. But no, happy with the look and the colour. It will blend in obviously in different lights, but I thought gold would be a better option. So I'm not going to bleed these through yet because I want to check the actual master cylinder. I may need to rip that out and repair that, so I'm not going to do it yet. So that's the old hose off. Probably keep it, it'll come in handy. Obviously I've got loads of spares of these, so any leftover bits just chuck in the bag. Well, that's about it for today. As I said, it was quite a short one today. I just wanted to get them hoses fitted, see how they look, and yeah, they're looking pretty good. So any comments in the comments box below. I appreciate everybody's feedback, good, bad, indifferent. It all means a lot. It means I can grow, I can learn. If I'm making mistakes, I need to know so I can rectify them. I'm not a professional. I read manuals, I go by other people, I look at other videos, and I have my own thoughts and ideas of what to put into a bike. But I do appreciate the feedback and comments I get from everybody. I get so many different people now, which is great. Subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner on every video, so please like and subscribe. And I'm also on Patreon, so you can help me out there. Basically donations, it goes towards sandpaper, Dremel bits, and just bits to keep my channel going. So join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.